Investment platforms. Despite the short length of service on the Polish market, subject to continuous development, the nucleus of the creation of this product were the umbrella investment funds. They allowed free passage between funds without additional costs and too complicated formalities. This form, however, proved insufficient for the participants, because such diversification is just a hoax. Of course, one of the factors that contributed positively to the development of platforms were changes in the pension system. Platform initiated a kind of a new chapter in the operation of investment funds, allow participants to freely switch between funds of different companies, often with different investment profile and risk, without at the same time leaving the product as a whole. Unfortunately, among the platform there appeared non-creditable charge liquidation, which largely borne by the participants. The main factor that forced changes in Poland became the lawsuits, mainly on the insurance of investment platform based on insurance capital funds. The first adverse judgment in this case concerned the Aegon Insurance Group, while another case is in progress. A string of these events resulted in a new direction of development platforms, namely, basing their actions on the fund Sols 1 Fund 247. This link aims to reduce the fees incurred by the participants, but mainly to increase the rates of return obtained. In this connection, it is worth a closer look at this solution. The purpose of this article is to present the first 1 Fund 247 investment platform in England. Investment platform is an innovative solution bringing together many types of investment funds or insurance capital funds in one place. This solution is available on the Polish market relatively soon. They undergo continuous development and improvement. Platform investment, as strictly relating to their name, as a financial product, solution investments are not covered by the regulations. However, individual components of the platform, depending on the type of investment funds and manage the asset management company or insurance capital funds and their management insurance companies already have such regulations are covered. The owner or manager of an investment platform acts as a broker by providing the ability to switch between shared funds, conversion of units, purchase order, sales, collection of fees and commissions for participation. Financial market undergoes permanent changes and evolutions, and there would still be the case of investment platforms, which evolved from solutions umbrella funds by unfavorable combination of insurance products, the insurance capital funds when 1 Fund 247. Investment platforms are undoubtedly a financial service under the law applicable in the territory of the Polish Republic, thus a financial product, which can be considered as the basis for the creation of personal financial plan. Uster investment platform MS Evolutions, 1 Fund 247 funds personal finance through the accumulation and multiplication of the collected capital. The design of these products allows simultaneous investment objective of future pension at the meeting of the other intermediate goals, for example early mortgage payments, adjusting the fees resulting from the study, and unexpected expense. Nevertheless, the theme of saving for retirement purposes does not have to be the only and fundamental for the investment platform. The target may also be a long-term two-track applied to both retirement and transfers to the next generation. The construction investment platforms can be compared to open architecture product, because the platform offering investment funds not only its own brand but also other investment companies. This concept is related to the continuous necessity of offering customers the best solutions available at that time on the market, which clearly forms part of the action platform. Investment platforms represent a kind of response to the results of studies on delaying retirement and lengthening of life and the need to save for retirement. Construction investment platforms and their character as products supplementary pension schemes fits perfectly into the modern concept of retirement financial market. Because the current bonds are insufficient, and the mandatory pension system gradually loses efficiency. Thanks for 1 Fund 247.